Words that are similar in English and Spanish because they share a common origin are called cognates. A lot of words that end in OR in English are very similar in Spanish. Can you recognize these Spanish words?
Actor, administrador, auditor, captor, sensor, color, conductor, constructor, defensor, director, doctor, editor, error, factor, horror, humor, inspector, instructor, inventor, labor, mentor, motor, pastor, profesor, protector, reactor, receptor, reflector, retractor, selector, sector, supervisor, terror, tractor, tutor, vapor.
These are just some examples. When you're reading or listening to Spanish, if you're alert, you will find a lot more. In future lessons, we'll discover other kinds of cognates and build your vocabulary fast.
Visit our special link in the description below this video for even more resources.